Hey guys, it's MJ, and we're doing Subway Surfers Fantasies Fest. Let's go, let's go. Seriously? Okay. Wow, this is really. I'm gonna. Oh, I thought I was gonna die. Oh, I'm getting that for sure. Fresh? I'll see the bounty shoes. Ooh, I was gonna miss it. I don't see any more words. That's odd because usually I complete the word. What? Okay, now I know they tripped. I'm trying to get paid back for the time without one. Oh, okay. Thanks. There was like an error, so they gave me a word. Letter. I don't know why I keep going. I'm still on. Good night. Let's go. Yes, sir. I don't know why. I keep jumping off of that. But it's nice. It's nice. Where to go? Ooh, y'all. Okay, I got the H, so now it's a good word. Yeah. Not really how I would spell fresh, but okay. Now I know they fake it. Let me just do something really cool. So y'all, the screen might have changed because I paused the video. So y'all understand. Let's go. Whatever. But I just need something really fast. So let me just pause the video. Really save. And I'll get back to it. Okay, are we back at it? That was not fair because I couldn't control my keys, so that doesn't count. I swear. So yeah, this happened. Probably caused it, but no, I'm stupid. So I have this friend. He's like really thoughtful. I don't know how to control it. I'm gonna mute this so that you guys can hear me because I'm really sad for it. Okay, I lost, but you know it's a sad story, so I'm gonna start over. So I was just busy ignoring everything that's happening. When this is my girl starts to talk about. Now me, I just think she's saying nice things because nice. This girl has the actual audacity to say I'm weird. How the frick am I weird? Okay, like it's like really funny because she's lying. She's like, oh my gosh, I see her. She still uses a bike with trainer wheels. First of all, I don't own a bike. And this girl's funny. Like, I'm not even mad at her, but like, I'm confused. So, I'm like, can you stop talking about me at recess? And then she's like, she and I mean, like, you know, the vehicles at the like, first of all, I don't even own a bike. I said that several times. She's like, no, I don't believe you because I saw you. I'm like, okay, girl, then you're just lying. And then she has the odd thing. So I have to pause the game because I need to do something. I know I keep going, but I don't have much time. So I had just, I can't even speak. Because, you know, school ended like a long time ago, but this dog just keeps popping my head. It's like not going away. Like, what am I actually gonna do after that? Like, she has like a purpose for me. She can tell everybody in the summer about lies about me. Like, I don't know what I did so bad that she does this to everybody actually. I don't know who actually did the game crash. Did the game just So, I don't know what made her so mad at me, but I actually figured it out. Because you know when I saw I was gonna do something, she texted me like, hi, what you doing? You wanna hang down? I'm like, yeah. You know, like, girl, what the frick? This girl has the audacity to be like, what'd you just say to me? I'm like, you heard me. Like, I'm not trying to be rude, boy. You literally spread lies about me. Like, yesterday my friend texted me that she texted her and everybody in their group chat that I don't even want to say it. It's like weird. So I don't know what to do. I'm like really not paying attention to everything because I just don't understand what is wrong with this generation. Gen Z, Gen Alpha, Gen something. I don't know, okay? But they be out of their minds, all out there, acting like crazy loud. Do any of y'all want crazy loud? I don't know, but matter of freaking fact that this girl is freaking out. So, she wants to hear. I said, yeah. She got mad. She asked me why did I say that, and then she called me. No, I was too freaking mad to this game. Like, so she called me and was like, why are you saying bad stuff about me? I can literally copy all the stuff you made. And I was like, and edit it so it shows I'm saying bad stuff to you. And I sent it to group chat. Yeah, I know the rest. We did to multiple people. I don't even think those people believe me. Actually, they do. So if I were you, I would shut up. This girl had a bad station to say shut up. We actually had a group chat about her. Like, we talked about her now. We weren't saying that much of that. We just actually just sees her body and no one believes her. So yeah, that's what's all in the group chat. And she's not even in there. Okay, like obviously, if you're talking about someone, why would you want them in the group chat to be hearing all the stuff you're talking about? So we're just supposed to act like we believe and he doesn't come at us. But it's not my fault. Like, I don't understand what I did. I guess I'll take next time. It wasn't even that bad, okay? She was just talking about another student, so I told that student, and that student said something about her, and then I told her about it, and then they got mad at each other, and they hated me. But then I became friends with the girl. Okay, I'm gonna name her Say That. That was the girl that pretended to be me. But the girl that I said was not really bad. Her name was. Oh, what? I'm and we weren't exactly tight to be friends. We were like, I wasn't sure how I was toxic. So they got mad at me, but then it became friends with Daisy. And I didn't talk to Emma at all, but she always found a way to make me bad guy. She has a lot of friends. She's like a girl who can gather a lot of friends. You know what I'm saying? But like, not the kind of friend I would have. But then Daisy did something so bad to me that I got mad at her. She didn't even have the audacity to apologize. So we actually started this small school business about selling candy, blah blah blah. We started with some fake school bucks, but then we realized we could do so much more, and we started charging money. And just put this in your mind, I started the idea. Okay, like I started it, and then we just decided to do a group. I would provide the snacks, she provide the candy. So this girl, like I can't even talk. This girl fired me. I thought this was supposed to be a partner fight. Like, here's what happened. So she hired someone who was my enemy, and we'll call her Allison. She was my enemy, and but they were friends, okay? So, I never liked her. I would talk about her behind her back, not Jason. And it was like someone she would talk about me, and she was friends with me. So, and stuff like that. It was like a complicated thing. I don't know. They kept going back and forth, and now it's just right now the friendship is like, so we have this guy who's like the cause of our confusion. We should name him Jay. So right now the relationship is terrible, okay? I'm friends with there's Emma's friend that's like her best friend for like a long time. Jay's moving away to California or Arizona, and I'm happy about that because he was really toxic, and I just don't know how to explain it. I don't know how I was even friends with him. And then we have Emma, who's still staying, but she's been a bit kinder. Maybe she's going to change. Allison, who's still trying to forgive me and still thinking about if she wants to be friends, because I actually apologize to her, because I mean it. They say I apologized to her, but guess what? I was crossing my hands, because I don't even mean it at all. Like, that girl is so toxic, but she be spreading rumors about me, and I do want candy. Like, that's all I care about. I don't freaking care. Like, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. So then we have Maya. So Maya, we're friends. Like, we hang out, and I think she and Emma are not friends again. Because Emma's like been really toxic to her. See how it's gonna work out. And by the school year starts again, I'm gonna try to go to this quickly, which is pretty good. I should probably play. That's probably waiting. And I don't know if Emma's still in the game, but I don't really care. She can decide. I don't care if she wants to be my friend. I don't care if she wants to be my friend. I don't care about anything. And yeah, I mean, I do care about some things. Okay, some things. Like how my viewers should probably subscribe. Yeah. And please keep in mind that my date's not really okay. Okay? My date's not really okay because that's what my friends think me and I just took it. Like what that's what Shay and Zay and Allison and Maya and Emma named me. So I just go by MJ. Technically, but my name's kind of hard to pronounce. It's like an African. It's like an African. But since it starts with the M and it has the J letter in it, I go on Now, everybody's okay. Like, everybody's like fine. No one's texting the group chat. One of my old friends from my old school that text me. I've never actually texted them, and I'm like thinking like maybe I should text them. Like maybe I should text them after this video. Cause like one of that group people, I mean they're so I'm gonna like try to go to my TikTok first to see if they've uploaded any recent video, and then so that's the end of this video. I hope you like it. It was like story time, like mostly story time, like for real. I didn't even try to make it like that, but yeah, it's I'll see you guys tomorrow. You have a great day or night. Bye.